Howdy y'all, welcome to the Orlando Universal Traveler Channel. My name is Dave. We're here at Universal Kids Resort Texas in Frisco, Texas, just north of Dallas. We're going to be taking some unnarrated tours, so stay tuned. Let's kick off that intro. In today's unnarrated tour, we're exploring the dinosaur-filled Jurassic World Adventure Camp, where young adventurers can ride 3 exciting attractions, discover 2 play zones, and have an encounter with a baby raptor. Making our way to that land, we're going to start here at the entrance, go through Isle of Curiosity, hanging a left, go through Trolls Fest, into Shrek Swamp, then into Puss in Boots Del Mar, making our way into Jurassic World Adventure Camp, where this tour starts. Enough of me talking, let's start this tour. Hey, how are you? Howdy.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Doing great.
That's going to wrap up today's episode here at Universal Kids Resort, Texas. Thank you again so much for watching. My name is Dave. If you've enjoyed this episode, please be sure to click that like button. Subscribe to the channel, click the notifications bell so that you don't miss any upcoming episodes for Universal Orlando or even here at Universal Kids Resort, Texas. Also, leave a comment down below if you think I've missed something, if you're going to be visiting this location as well. I'd love to hear it. Check us out on Facebook. Also, watch this video here or this playlist right here, and we'll catch you next time.